Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge hosted by Denise from This and That with Denise Jordan. And she wanted us to make our kitchen vignettes for fall. And I decided I wanted to make beautiful vignette using this placement, this beautiful tray, this sign that it's a printout, and my cute lantern. I'm so in love with how this turned out. And also, I will be using this cute moss pumpkins. And now I'm going to show you how I made those. For our moss pumpkins, we are going to use this pumpkins from Walmart without the stem. My son kindly deconstructed it and took everything off. We're going to use moss, this Spanish moss from Walmart, and twine. Also our hot glue gun. So let's get started. First we're going to take our pumpkin and we're going to add lots of hot glue, and then we're going to glue the moss to the pumpkin. Just like that. I'm using a tray because it's a lot easier and I won't have so much to clean up. And after you do that, you're going to continue adding glue until you glue all of your moss to your pumpkin. My favorite type of craft, and you know it by now, I love gluing stuff to stuff. And continue adding hot glue, and then we're gonna give it a good trim. As you will see now, we're gonna give it a good trim so we get to see the bald spots of our pumpkin, and so we can add more glue and more moss. Just like that, we continue adding glue and adding moss to our pumpkin. We're going to cover all of it. Now that I have all of it covered, I'm going to give it a good trim. Just like that. And I'm opening the space where the stem goes. Continue trimming. And now we're going to take our twine and we're going to wrap that twine around a couple of times. Just like that. We're gonna tie it, but not too tight because we want the twine to show. Those are the divisions of our pumpkin, so we need that. And continue adding your twine until we finish with that. When you finish, you're gonna get them where they belong, and then you're gonna add lots of hot glue to your stem, and that will be it. Now we add a couple of leaves, or one, like in my case, and that's it. Your pumpkin is done. How cute. Now we're going to assemble our beautiful vignette. So, let's get started. First, I added my placemat to my tray, and now I'm adding my lantern, a stand for my sign, my two cute moss pumpkins, and this cute critter. And that's it. Let me show you how it turned out. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our lantern, our two moss pumpkins, that cute critter, and the sign over there. Let me show you the inside of the lantern. We have this squirrel, two pumpkins, and that cute scarecrow. Over here we have the moss pumpkins, that cute critter, and the Be Thankful sign. I think this is perfect for Thanksgiving. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to Denise's channel. I just want to take this opportunity to thank her for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how my vignette looks. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.